How to recognise a high-performing property manager. Hi, I'm Richard from Always Property Management, and we manage rentals in Manawa 2 in the Taurua region. So what are the key signs that indicate you're working with a first-class property manager? So first off, of course, selecting great tenants who look after your property and pay the rent on time. Maintaining market rent. And what I mean by that is doing 12 monthly reviews, giving you the landlord options on what the market's doing, and it's the landlord's choice at the end of the day to increase rent or not. But of course, rates go up annually, rents go up annually, and if there's been a move in the market, it helps keep your cash flow coming in. Low vacancies. The goal here is long-term tenants, ideally. Now, some properties and locations tend to be a little bit more transitional, which needs to be taken into account. And also, there's up and downs in the market when you're advertising. So if the market's a bit slow, obviously it's going to take a bit longer to rent, and you could have a time there where the property's vacant. But the goal here is ideally 100% occupancy rate and between 100 and 95. Any lower, it starts to reduce your cash flow. Timely routine inspections and report any issues. Your property manager report those issues to you promptly. Organising any repairs and maintenance quickly and efficiently. There's ongoing communication to the landlord and conduct a professional tenant relationship as well. Also, reply to enquiries in a timely manner. That's really important. It's frustrating if a property manager is not getting back to you. Of course, property managers are busy and they might text and say, hey, look, I'm in the middle of something right now, but I'll call you back tomorrow morning or whatever. But as long as they're making that effort, and of course, depending on the urgency of your inquiry, that's handled well in a timely manner. Fully compliant tenancy agreements, and this includes sections dedicated to declaring smoke alarms in the property, location, expiry dates, etc. Healthy homes declaration, what's meets the standards, and if there's something that needs to be done, the timeline for that. And also protecting the landlords with clauses that has your interests at heart, very important. And access to legal and property management training and upskilling to keep landlords safe. A good property manager will have someone on a legal side that they can call and get hands-on, up-to-date information if needed. So hope that helps. We'll catch you next time. Making life easy for landlords is what we do.